Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set custom notification on Android phone. Okay, to set custom notification on our Android phone, we have to go to the settings application and we have to open sounds and vibration setting and click on notification sound. But here, as you can see, that there's no option to set custom notification on our Android phone. But don't worry guys, because I want to show you the tricks how we can set custom notification on our Android phone. So we can open our file manager, go to your file manager on your Android phone. This is my file manager or my files application, and we have to open internal storage. And if we want to set custom notification, we have to move or copy the sound that we want to make it as our notification to the notifications folder. Okay, you have to copy the sound right here, and I'm going to, for example, I'm going to copy the sound from my alarm folder to my notification folder. The sound, I'm going to set the sound as my notification so we can copy or move. And for example, I'm going to move it, tap on move, and we can go back and open the notifications folder and move here. Okay, and after the sound has been moved or has been copied to this notification folder, we have to go back to the settings, open the settings, and I'm going to open the settings and open sounds and vibration, and you have to click on notification sound. And okay, here as you can see that the sound has been added right here, and we can use it or we can set it as our notification on our Android phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can set custom notification on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.